Howdy folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. I am honored to be down here at the VSO Pew channel. I'm here with Kurt. Kurt, how you doing?
How you doing, buddy?
Awesome, awesome.
Welcome, guys, to the VSO range, if you will.
Awesome. So we're going to do a little testing with the Lehigh Defense flash tip pews. Anyways, let's go ahead and get it done. All right, folks, to do a simulation of what the Army does, I've got a 20-round mag. We're going to do a full auto dump. Here we go.
Alright guys, so this gun is set up with the fun switch even, so this is going to be even better. We got the high speed queued up, and we're going to dump those flash tips on this steel right here.
What do you think, Kurt? You ready to go for it?
I'm ready to go for it.
Let's do it, man. Good luck. Hope you do better than I did.
Well, I weigh like 3 times as much.
Yeah.
And that is how it's done, folks.
Nice. Good job. You made me look bad, man. Obviously, Kurt, you did a lot better than I did.
So Nito's group, shaped kind of like this.
It's like the Big Dipper.
Right? And then Curtis's group is right here.
Right there. That's pretty awesome.
Alright guys, so we have 308 flash tip here, and I've got a Stag 10, we got an egg hog on top of it, an elevated silence Evo on the front, so here we go. And I'm gonna try to compete with the shot, but I don't think I'm gonna win. Are you ready?
Yep.
And good.
Folks, if you watch enough of the VSO Pew channel, you can't end a video without doing the run and pew. What do you say, Kurt? Ready to run and pew?
Let's do it, man.
All right, what am I
you
doing?
You and your advertiser-friendly language.
That's right. Should I take a shot from here?
Yeah, you should do it all. Do it all.
Oh.
There it is. There it is. Good deal.
I forget which one next.
Just pick something.
Okay.
And next barrel. These guys hit the car. Guys hit the car.
Guys hit the car. Anything else?
Pick one.
Oh.
Gotta hit it, of course. Got him.
Got the hostage.
Hostage swinger. Oh, nice smack. Come on. Round the world. Round the world.
Here we go.
Miss. Got him. Dump the rest in that van right there.
Right there, huh?
Yep.
Woo!
Yeah, buddy.
Man, that was harder than it looked. All right, folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. I want to thank Kurt with the VSO Pew channel having me down here. Hope you like the high-speed camera.
Well, I think it's. I thought it was a lot of fun. I don't get to do a whole lot of high-speed filming, and it's really cool to have a high-speed camera here. I'll say that this is the first time we've ever had a real high-speed camera on this range. So thank you for popping the cherry on the VSO range there, buddy.
Awesome, no problem. We, Kurt, we first met up show 2018.
Yeah, it was this year. It was just a couple months ago. Yeah.
Just up in the media room. And so anyway, Kurt, tell me, how did you get your YouTube channel started?
So actually, I started the channel, I think in 2008 or 2009, something like that. And there was this new thing called YouTube that came out where these people were like basically sharing these videos with each other. And I was kind of looking at it, I was like, you know, there wasn't a whole lot of gun content out there. And at the time, the quality of stuff, it just wasn't meeting kind of what I wanted to do. So we kind of started it as a hobby to get into basically doing videos, learning stuff. I'd never operated a camera before in my entire life. I just kind of shot guns my entire life. So I was like, you know what? I got a lot of guns. I like to shoot guns. I can get a camera. So we put all that stuff together. If you go back and watch the original videos, they are terrible.
Yeah, they always are.
But you also have to remember that it's a snapshot in time. So back then, the tolerance of everybody, the audience, if you will, for crappy video at the time was way higher than it is today. Like
right.
Today, if you got one thing wrong with your video, and it's like they just click on to the next one.
Right.
So it was a completely different game back then. And I would say that it has been vitally important as a means of communication, as well as a medium to advance society, really, because I think everybody would agree today that you have a constitutionally protected right to put a video of yourself on the internet just as much as you have a right to publish something that you've written.
Absolutely. In fact, I've been kind of alluding to not saying the bad words on YouTube for fear of getting this video demonetized. I think we've done a pretty good job. Okay, cool. All right, I think that's about it. So, Kurt, I appreciate it.
Thank you, man. Thanks for coming out here. Thanks for bringing all the cool toys, and it was a great time. You're welcome back anytime.
Awesome. We'll do some cool videos.
Sounds good.
All right, we'll see you.